This is Darren Phillips with MarineMax from the Azimut Yacht Center in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we'll be taking a short tour of our recently traded in 2015 Azimut 60 Fly. This boat you'll find is going to go ahead and be a 3-stateroom, 2-head boat with Seakeeper stabilization, full audio-visual package. Has approximately 350 hours on it, and it is well-serviced, maintained, one owner. As you can see, entering the salon here, we'll have a port and starboard side seating where you can comfortably fit 8 to 10 people for an intimate conversation while watching their favorite sports on the 46-inch Samsung with Bose Lifestyle Surround. Stepping up, you'll have 2 steps up, which creates a nice separation between your salon and your dinette. You have a beautiful dinette right here, which will be comfortable seating for 6 at an inside table. If you want to eat outside on the Flybridge, you'll have an equally large table that will go ahead and accommodate approximately 6 people in comfort. Up at the helm, you'll see a full assortment of electronics, including your latest Raymarine GS displays. This boat features the MAN R6 800s, beautiful cruise, beautiful wide open for a day of comfort out of the sea, which is enhanced by the Seakeeper stabilization. In addition to the Seakeeper, for comfort around the dock, you'll find the Zenta joystick control. Moving on to the galley, you will find it is all equipped with Miele products, a convection oven microwave, induction burner top, 2 sinks. You'll have a full refrigerator and freezer for adequate storage on the inside. In addition, you'll also have a ice maker and refrigerator freezer on the fly. Moving down below, nice, wide, comfortable, safe stairs, built-in sea rails, again for additional safety while you're out there at sea. Giving a quick look forward, you'll see forward the VIP stateroom. To the starboard side here we have twin singles, and then on the port side we have the day and guest head. Moving here into the master, you'll go ahead and find a beautiful cut queen island bed with just beautiful windows. I mean, imagine that view as you're over in the islands, waking up to that and going to bed to an aquarium at night. Full windows, plenty of storage. Nice little settee down below to enjoy the morning coffee. Again, another Samsung TV with your Bose Lifestyle. Beautiful master head. Nice storage. Good vanity. Good lighting. Again, additional storage there. Quickly, we walk back outside. Just taking in the panoramic views of the expansive windows, keeping you connected with the sea. Teak in the cockpit, teak on the side decks. Moving up to the fly. Beautiful built-in seating, a full complimentary display up at the upper helm. Again, the 2015 Azimut 60 Flybridge, offered by MarineMax, Azimut Yacht Center in Pompano Beach, our trade. For more information, you can contact me directly, Darren Phillips, at 239-297-4085. Thanks for your time.